Hello guys! Welcome back! May bago na naman tayong video. For today's video guys, I will teach you and share some building tips for beginner in an easy way.
Ganyan lang guys, i-weave natin guys. Ngayon mag-weave guys. Ito po yung welding techniques guys, in which the energy source is oscillated transversely as it progresses along the weave path. Ang shielded metal arc welding guys ay mayroon siyang 5 essentials. Number 1 is electrode size. Dapat tama yung electrode na gagamitin natin. Electrode diameter is based on the thickness of the base metal, the welding position, and the type of joint to be welded. The larger diameter electrodes are used on thicker metals and for flat position welding because they offer higher deposition rates, and the smaller diameter electrodes are used for horizontal, vertical, and overhead welding because they produce a smaller weld paddle that is easier to control than the bigger paddle produced by the larger diameter electrodes. Number 2 guys is current. Dapat tama yung current natin guys, hindi siya malakas at saka hindi siya masyadong mahina. If the amperage is set above the suggested operating range, the electrode melts to pass. Madali siyang malulusaw guys. This increase the position and the weld paddle becomes too large to control. Mahirap siya ma-control guys. It could also cause the electrode coating to overheat and break down. Number 3 guys is arc length. Dapat tama yung arc length natin guys. Hindi siya masyadong malapit sa binibuilding natin na bakal at saka hindi siya masyadong malayo. The correct arc lengths guys varies according to the electrode classification, diameter and composition of the flux coating, as well as the amperage and welding position. Number 4 guys is travel speed. Dapat tama na yung travel speed natin guys. Travel speed is the rate at which the electrode moves along the work. The key to correct travel speed is reading the weld paddle, because weld paddle is a liquid version of the weld bed. Number 5 guys,
Electrode angle. In shielded metal arc welding, the work and travel angle are used to control the shape of the weld paddle and the amount of penetration. The travel angle is the angle between the joint and the electrode along the axis of the weld. A push angle exists when the electrode points in the direction of travel, and the drag angle points away the direction of travel. When all other essentials are under control, a change in the direction of travel changes the heat input to the paddle. A drag travel angle increases heat input because the arc is pointing into the paddle. A push travel angle reduces heat input because the arc is pointing away from the paddle. The work angle is pointing between the electrode and the work surface along the work plane, which run perpendicular to the axis of the weld. An incorrect work angle can cause you to favor one side of the joint more than another. The result is undercut and lack of fusion. Here's what will happen guys if the electrode size that we are using is correct, as well as the arc length, the travel speed, and the electrode angle. The flux will be removed on its own. Thanks for watching guys. I hope that you learned something from this video. Don't forget to follow and subscribe Jaikasev TV so that you will be updated on our next video. Thanks guys.